'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house. Well, no, it's not really the night before Christmas, but it's 3 nights before Christmas. It's the evening of December 22nd as I'm coming to you, and I do want to wish a very Merry Christmas coming up in a couple days to absolutely everybody. I want to thank you for allowing me to be gone last week. I was in Maui for the absolute first time in my life. Absolutely enjoyed it. I just took a week off and I fell in love with that place. In fact, I've got some announcements that I need to make because here's what came out of my time in Maui. We're going to do a workshop on February 20th in Maui. So if you would like to plan a vacation around that and attend one of the workshops, come to Maui for a week, spend a day at the workshop with me. Everything would be absolutely wonderful. And a lot of the wonderful, wonderful local people on Maui. And with that, with tonight, I just got a lot of announcements that I need to make. First of all, I am now going to go ahead and open up for registration all of the scholarship positions for Sedona on January 9th. We still have plenty of room that's available. I opened that up a little over a week ago for Sedona on January 9th. I wanted to give people the opportunity to register who have to make plans. But now we're open, totally open. All requests for scholarships, all of the normal registrations for Sedona, lots of room, full workshop, January 9th here in Sedona. And February 20th in Maui. Here was another thing that happened. When I was in Maui, I was able to meet with Rob Potter. Now, many of you are familiar with him. He has his own radio program called The Promise Revealed. But more important, what Rob has done, Rob has interviewed the ambassador 3 different times. And it was a couple of months ago, he had a joint interview with the ambassador and with Cobra. And you can go to his website, thepromiserevealed.com, and the link will also be on my newsletter here and on my website as well, because not only did I meet with Rob, we met and spent about 3 hours together one evening, become acquainted, and then the next day he interviewed me for his radio program, and that's going to be playing on Thursday on his website. That's when the live program will be playing, but it's a pre-recorded interview. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that program, and on next week, I'm going to play that on the radio program. So there isn't going to be any live radio program on the 2 nights before Christmas and the 2 nights before New Year's. Part of the reason why? I'm going back to Maui, folks. I'm going to be in Maui over New Year's. But I'm meeting with a lot of the folks because it's a hosted workshop for me. So we're meeting, working out some of the details. I'll be meeting with Rob again. It's a wonderful time. And I'm also going to be trying to meet with some other folks as well. So, as I said, no radio program tomorrow, but here's what I'm doing on the newsletter. I'm putting on a YouTube video of when I was on the Discovery Channel 2 years ago. When I first moved here to Sedona, it was probably maybe 6-7 months afterwards. Yes, I actually was able to get on video a UFO that had showed up in here, what's called the Verde Valley, which was about 15 miles out of Sedona. It appeared for about 35 minutes, and I got about 2.5 minutes of it on video. And then what we did, we had a professional independent analysis done of the video. And the individual who did that came right out and said, I have absolutely no answer. This fits into what would be the legal definition of an unidentified flying object. So I'm going to put that 2.5 minute video on the newsletter this week. And then out of that came my association and my contacts with some folks for the Discovery Channel on a 1-hour program that they did called, Aliens Revealed or Disclosed. I'm going blank on the title of it. But they filmed it here in Sedona. It's actually 42 minutes long because after you take out all the commercials and the introductions and all that kind of stuff. But you'll see a 42-minute program. I'm in about the first 5 minutes of it. So that's the scoop. Here, I'm opening up all the registrations now for the Sedona workshop on January 9th. No radio program this week, but I'm giving you some good videos to watch. I'm going back to Maui because we're going to have on February 20th, we're going to have a workshop in Maui. I'm going to meet with the local folks. And also, I'm going to give you the link to Rob Potter's radio program where he had interviewed me. Those are all the announcements this week. Folks, I want to wish you all a very, very wonderful Merry Christmas. And when I come to you next week, I'm back in Maui again. Love all of you. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, bye-bye.